Established over 3 decades ago as Wuxi so-called automatic door, Jeffrey Automatic Door Jiangsu have evolved into a pioneering leader in the sectional door industry. Located in Dongtai Jiangsu province, our strategic location ensures convenient access to Shanghai port, facilitating efficient global logistics. Specialized in the research, development, production, and distribution of high-performance automatic door system, our products include sectional garage doors, durable and space-efficient solutions for residential and commercial use, aluminum garage doors, modern designs combining aesthetics with functionality, sectional industrial doors, engineered for heavy-duty applications with enhanced safety features, customized door accessories, tailored components to meet diverse international standards. With an annual capacity of 50,000 sets doors, we guarantee rapid delivery within 15 to 20 days. Supported by streamlined manufacturing process and trusted long-term partners, our facilities integrate advanced automation technologies, ensuring precision and consistency in every product. Commitment to excellence, quality assurance, emphasizing durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency. Innovation-driven, continuous R&D focuses on adapting to global market trends, including smart door systems and eco-friendly materials. Customer-centric service, a dedicated sales and engineering team provide 24/7 support, from tailored consultation to post-installation maintenance. Vision for the future. We embraced customization and innovation to address evolving market demands. Whether you seek standard or compatible solutions which fit your market, Jeffrey Automatic Door stands ready to be your reliable partner.